let's uncouple the problem we have on the board. And to do that, I'm going to be multiplying the first term with the last term. And now it gives me 72x squared, which is the same thing as minus 9x multiplied by minus 8x. So writing the equation, I now have 6x squared minus 9x minus 8x plus 12 equals 0. So to factorize, I have 3x into 2x minus 3 minus 4x, 4 into 2x minus 3 equals 0. So this gives me 3x minus 4 into 2x minus 3 equals 0, which implies 3x minus 4 equals 0, or 2x minus 3 equals 0. So what this means is 3x is equals 4, which implies x is equals 4 over 3, or 2x minus 3 equals 0, which implies 2x is equals 3, which means x is equals 3 over 2. What that means is our roots are x equals 4 over 3 or x equals 3 over 2. So here are the roots of our quadratic equation, guys. Thank you.